Today's video is my complete Syllabi review for 2026. So guys, if you've been searching for real Syllabi review, not a sponsored demo, not somebody reading features of a website, but an actual review from somebody who's actively using the platform to build faceless YouTube, TikTok, Instagram channels, then you're going to want to watch this video because I'm going to reveal you everything. I'm going to show you proof how I built my faceless channels, over 4,000 subscribers by using the software. So my friend, let me show you why I decided to make the Syllabi review in the first place. Over the last several months, I've been using Syllabi as part of my content creation workflow. Not for one channel, not for one niche, but across multiple channels. One of the channels you see on the screen right now is my pickleball hustle channel, which I completely done using the Syllabi software. So not a lot of creators out there actually show you the results of using the software. They just talk theory. I show you guys real results. And I'll show you two more channels. So another channel that I created is Faceless AI Profits. It's a faceless YouTube channel focused on affiliate marketing, making money online, AI tools, side hustles, and online business opportunities. Well, the third channel is called Scary Night Teller, completely different niche, completely different audience, completely different content style. So one channel is talking about affiliate marketing, another channel is talking about pickleball, which I'm really passionate about. I play every night. And the other one is talking about horror stories. And yet I've been able to use Syllabi as part of the content planning process for all those channels. And it's not just YouTube, it's also TikTok channels and my Instagram channels. So in this Syllabi review for 2026, I'm going to show you the channels, the analytics, the workflow, a live demo. We're going to do this together. We're going to create a brand new video and schedule that video using Syllabi software. So first, let's take a look at my Faceless AI Profits Faceless YouTube channel. This is relatively new Faceless YouTube channel focused on affiliate marketing and making money online. And one thing I want to make very clear in this Syllabi review, I'm not here to tell you that Syllabi magically created those results, because it partially did, and partially I added my own twist on that. I'm going to show you what I do. No software creates success by itself, but what Syllabi did was help succeed the content creation process significantly. It streamlined the content creation, because a lot of people get stuck, like, what do I make a video about, right? One of the biggest problems creators face is not editing, it's not filming, it's not uploading, it's figuring out what to create. What topics should I cover? What videos should I make? What questions are people asking? What content has demand? And that's where I started using Syllabi. I wanted something that could help me identify content opportunities faster. I wanted something that could help me create more consistency. And I wanted something that could help reduce the amount of time I spent staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what to post next. So when I started testing Syllabi, I began using it to generate content ideas, research topics, create outlines, generate scripts, and build content calendars. As you can see, the channel started growing. Again, not because Syllabi is magic, but because it helped me make the process more efficient. By the way, my friend, if you're seeing the value here and you want to check out the exact version of Syllabi I'm using, don't forget I have a special discount link available in the pinned comment below. You don't need to click it right now. Watch the entire review first, then decide for yourself if it's something you'd like to test. So here's another channel. Let's take a look at this one. It's called Scary Night Teller, completely faceless channel that talks about, those night horror stories that people engage so much with. And this is actually one of the reasons I became more interested in making this Syllabi review, because I didn't want to test the platform in only one niche. It's easy to make a tool look good when you're only showing one example. The real question is, can it work across different industries? Can it work across different audiences? Can it work outside of make money online niche? Can it work for storytelling? Can it work for entertainment? Can it work for educational content? Can it work for local businesses? Can it work for coaches? Those are the questions I wanted to answer. And Scary Night Teller channel became one of my testing grounds. Different audience, different content, never done this niche before, different viewer behavior, different emotions, everything is different. Yet the same content planning process still worked. The same idea generation process still worked. The same research process still worked. And that was pretty interesting to see. So now let's actually get inside of the platform, because honestly, guys, one thing that drives me crazy when I watch software reviews is when people spend 20 minutes or more talking about software and never actually show you the software. So let's jump into Syllabi. And before I show you what I do, let me explain what I was looking for when I started using a platform like this. After 17 years in affiliate marketing and online business, I learned something very important. Content isn't the problem. Ideas are the problem. Most creators don't fall because they can't create content. They fail because they don't know how content to create. Can I get an amen? So my content workflow is actually pretty simple. Step number 1, research. Step number 2, script. Step number 3, video. That's it. I don't overcomplicate it. I don't spend weeks planning. I don't spend months preparing. I want a simple process I can repeat over and over again. And that's where Syllabi fits into my workflow. It helps me with the first 2 stages. Research and scripting. Then I use other tools depending on the project. Sometimes ChatGPT for the script creation. Sometimes I add Kling AI for those visuals. dynamic visuals. Sometimes I use InVideo and sometimes other software. But Syllaby is usually where the process starts. And this is where I schedule stuff for weeks in advance for multiple faceless channels. As you can see your dashboard, once you create an account in Syllaby, you have multiple options. You can actually use text to see in video inside, and you can use VO 3.1, Clink, and CDance. It's going to cost you some credits, obviously, just like any other platform. You can also generate AI clips. You can do faceless videos. You can do B-roll videos. You can do URL to video. You can actually take client's website or your website and we'll create a video for you. How cool is that? And my favorite area is bulk generation and schedule, because I can create up to 1 month of content with one workflow with multiple faceless YouTube channels, my multiple Instagram channels, and TikTok channels. And there's also option to create your own avatar, so you can create consistent character consistency across all your videos. And this is exactly what I do, and I'll show you that in a second. So at the time of recording, there's a World Cup, FIFA World Cup, soccer going on, right? So why not do that? Because a lot of people making crazy amounts of money right now in those niches. So what I can do is I can start by entering a topic, which is FIFA World Cup, and I can generate 30-second script. I can generate 5-minute script. I can generate 10-minute script, up to 15 minutes, and that would be a long form video, or I can create short form videos. And immediately Syllaby starts giving me content opportunities. Now this is important, because one thing I learned from YouTube is that creators often think they need better editing, better cameras, better thumbnails, and those things matter. You can use ChatGPT to create thumbnails very fast. You don't need to pay people on Fiverr $20 a thumbnail anymore. But none of that matters if nobody wants to watch the topic. Topic selection is everything. If you pick the wrong topic, it doesn't matter how good your editing is. The video probably won't perform. And that's one thing I like about Syllaby. It helps me identify topics much faster, and you can do it really, really fast, like we did just now. We can just generate the script and we can create the video, and we can select voiceover.
Hey, what's up, guys?
You can select any type of voice.
Let's see here, guys. Podcasts, narration. This voice has a wide emotional spectrum,
I like
from
this one.
whispers to shouts.
So there you go. So that's how you select the voiceover. You can do female, you can do male, and it's really super fast. Then you create portrait or landscape mode, and you can create subtitles on screen with different styles. Very, very fast. This is what I love. This is the fastest creation method, and you can select the type of style you want. So maybe you're doing like medieval history channel or something like that. You can do that as well. So there's so many different options. You can make cartoons for kids. Which is, those channels take off like crazy. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you actually 20 best niches to build your faceless content around. If you use my link and get the trial, or you pay for the annual, I'm going to give you that bonus, because you don't want to waste your time doing a niche that nobody cares about. I tested so many niches, and I know what works and what doesn't. The other thing I really like about Syllaby is seeing actual questions people are asking, because content becomes much easier when you're answering questions instead of guessing what people want. So for example, I typed in cartoon. It gives me immediately what people are typing into Google and YouTube, so I can piggyback off that search traffic and rank my videos on YouTube. This is how you grow your channel fast and get subscribers and increase your watch time. So those are the actual questions people type, and I can create video content around those topics really, really fast without spending hours on end researching topics. So I want evidence people are searching for the topic. That's much smarter way to build a channel. So now let's say you find the topic you like. The next step is generating a script, and I actually like to use Scheduler. This is where Syllaby can save you a lot of time. I don't just copy and paste AI scripts. What I normally do is, you can see I have 3 different schedulers right now for Make Money Online, affiliate marketing. I'm posting 2 long form content videos because I want to grow my channel much faster. And I also have pickleball stories and tips and tricks, posting twice a day. So this one actually completed. So I'm just going to create a new one, and I'm going to do one around 5 p.m. So I'm posting one around like 8, 9 a.m. and also one around 5 p.m. So I'm going to create bulk scheduler. I'm going to do custom topic, and it's going to be pickleball tips and tricks. And I'm going to connect my channel. So you can connect multiple channels, even LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. In this particular case, I'm doing YouTube. And I'm going to generate my descriptions and tags. And for call to action, I'm going to add subscribe for more pickable tips and tricks you can actually use every day to win more games. So always give people multiple calls to action to get more subscribers, more likes and comments, to get more engagement. I'm going to do 7 days, 1 post a day, and I'm going to do this around, let's do maybe 4 p.m. And that's it. And I'm going to click next. After that, I'm going to create, I'm going to use the style which I like, which is action movie, and my character that looks like me. And I'm going to do 5 to 10 minutes. And I like this voice, Brian.
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
And that's your subtitles. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to generate the script. So a lot of people ask me, Alex, why not just use ChatGPT? And honestly, that's a fair question, because I use ChatGPT every single day. I love ChatGPT. It's one of the most powerful tools available today. But here's the difference. You have to use multiple tools to create even better scripts. Syllaby is more of content workflow platform. They're solving different problems. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas and make your search engine optimization videos much better and rank them better on YouTube. So Syllabi helps organize the entire process, ideas, research, planning, scripts, content calendars, workflow. But when I do this, I copy the whole script, right? And I go to my ChatGPT and I type this, make the script punchier and more SEO friendlier for keyword master the third shot drop, right? This is the keyword I'm targeting here, right? So I'm copying the whole script into ChatGPT and it's going to give me a much better SEO optimized script. So now let's talk about what I actually love about Syllabi, because after using it across multiple channels, multiple niches, and creating a lot of content, there are definitely some things that stand out. The first thing is probably the biggest one. It saves time. And honestly, my friend, if you've been creating content for any length of time, you know how valuable that is. Most creators aren't spending hours editing. Most creators are spending hours trying to decide what to create. What title should I use? What topic should I cover? What questions are people asking? What content should I make next? That decision-making process can eat up a ridiculous amount of time, and Syllabi helps reduce that significantly. The second thing I like is organization and scheduling. I don't know about you, my friend, but sometimes I'll come up with a content idea at the worst possible times. When I'm driving, when I'm playing pickleball, eating dinner, watching soccer on TV, ideas pop into my head randomly. Then a few days later, I forget them. So Syllabi helps create a system, a place where everything lives, a place where content gets organized, a place where ideas become actual videos. And that's something is huge and I really love about Syllabi. Number 3, I think it's especially useful for faceless content creators. And obviously that's one of the reasons I'm making this review of Syllabi. A lot of people watching this channel are interested in affiliate marketing, making money online, faceless YouTube channels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, how to make money with faceless Reels, also TikTok content, and Syllabi fits very naturally into that type of workflow. When you're creating faceless content, volume matters, consistency matters, publishing matters, and anything that helps speed up the content creation becomes valuable. Number 4, I like that it works across multiple niches, and I think my channel proved just that. Faceless AI Profits, my Scary Night Teller channel, there's a couple other channels I haven't showed you, completely different audiences, completely different content, yet the workflow still applies. That's very important to me. And you know, one thing I learned after being online for over 17 years is that success usually isn't about finding some secret nobody knows thing. It's usually about doing simple things consistently. The problem is consistency becomes difficult when content creation becomes overwhelming. And that's where I think Syllabi provides incredible value. It helps to remove friction. It helps to remove some of the overwhelm and confusion. And that's something a lot of creators struggle with. So let's take a look at affiliate marketing as an example. If I wanted to create 10 videos this month without a system, that could become difficult. But with a workflow, with planning, with content ideas, with scripts, everything becomes that much easier. And that's actually the theme of this entire Syllabi review. Not magic, efficiency. I know what you're asking. You're asking, Alex, what's wrong with Syllabi? Well, no honest Syllabi review should only talk about positives. Every tool has weaknesses, and Syllabi is no exception. The first thing is that AI still requires editing. I don't care what AI platform you're talking about, Syllabi, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, whatever. AI is not perfect. You still need to add your own voice, your own personality, your own stories, your own experiences. And honestly, that's a good thing, because that's what makes your content unique. So if you're looking for a magic button where you click once and suddenly become a millionaire overnight, you're probably going to be disappointed. Second con. The second thing is there's still learning curve. Now, I don't think Syllabi is difficult. It's actually pretty simple. You can get up and running within probably like half an hour. I think it's actually pretty beginner friendly, but there's still a process. You still need to learn how to use it effectively. And like any software, you still get better over time. And that's a good thing. So who is Syllabi for, really? Let's start with affiliate marketers, right? Honestly, affiliate marketers are probably one of the biggest groups that can benefit from this platform, because affiliate marketing requires content. Content creates traffic. Traffic creates leads. Leads create sales. And content creation becomes much easier when you have a workflow. So if you're an affiliate marketer, I think Syllabi is the best tool you can use right now. Now, local businesses. The second group would be those roofers, chiropractors, real estate agents, insurance agents, restaurants. Those businesses constantly need new content. Most of them have no idea what to post. Most of them don't have a content strategy. A tool like Syllabi can definitely help solve that problem. Now, faceless creators. Honestly, that's probably the group that will get the most value from it, because faceless content usually requires more volume, more ideas, more planning, more consistency. And those are areas where Syllabi shines. So after spending months with the platform, after testing it across multiple channels, after using it in different niches, let's answer the question everybody wants to know: is Syllabi worth it? Honestly, my friend, I think for the right person, the answer is yes. But let me explain, because I don't think software alone creates success. I've been making money online for over 17 years. I built affiliate marketing businesses. I generate leads through social media. I run tons of paid traffic campaigns. I built multiple email lists in multiple niches. I created content. I created products. And one thing I learned is that tools don't create success. People create success. Tools simply help you move faster. And that's exactly how I look at Syllabi. I don't look at it as some magical AI platform. I look at it as a productivity tool that helps me create content fast, organize content better, and stay more consistent. So what is my final verdict for the Syllabi review in 2026? Would I buy it again? Yes, absolutely yes. Would I continue using it? Absolutely. I use it still daily, every single day. Do I think it's one of the better AI content planning tools available right now? Absolutely yes. Especially for faceless channels, affiliate marketers, Reels creators, short creators, long form video creators, local businesses, content creators in general. Is it perfect? No, nothing is. But does it solve a real problem? Absolutely. And that's why I'm comfortable recommending it. And if you'd like to check out Syllaby, grab the special discount link in the pinned comment below, or get the annual subscription, and you'll get immediate discount as well. And remember, when you purchase through my link, you also get access to my 20 best niches guide, my niches to avoid guide, lead generation training, how to turn those leads into sales, social media growth training, affiliate marketing resources, and several additional bonuses I haven't mentioned in this video. So if this Syllaby review helped you in any way, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what niche are you thinking about building a YouTube channel around. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and God bless.